In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your eBay personal account into a business account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're growing your sales or need business features, this process is quick and easy. First, log into your eBay account using your usual details. Once logged in, hover over your username at the top left and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, go to Personal Information. Here, scroll until you find the Account Type section. Next to it, click the Edit button. This will take you to the Change Account Type page. Now, select Business Account as your new account type. To continue, confirm your selection when prompted. This upgrade unlocks useful features like higher selling limits and better branding options for your store. Once you've switched, you'll need to enter your business details. Fill in your business name, contact information, and returns policy. Providing accurate information here is important. It builds trust with buyers and ensures your account looks professional. Finally, make sure to save your changes. After that, your account is officially set up as a business account, and you're ready to take advantage of eBay's business tools and opportunities. And that's it. In just few clicks, you've successfully converted your personal eBay account to a business account. Thank you for watching this video.